Welcome to my channel Redline Review. Today, we are diving deep into one of the most exciting releases in the compact tractor world, the brand new Mini Simba Tractor 2025. Whether you're a farmer, a landscaper, or someone who loves powerful, compact machines, this little beast is about to impress you. First off, let's talk about the design. The Mini Simba Tractor 2025 looks tougher and sharper than ever before. With its bold new body lines, aggressive stance, and modern color scheme, it demands attention even when standing still. It's compact yet feels strong and capable, which is exactly what you want when working in tighter fields or smaller properties. Under the hood, the Mini Simba 2025 is powered by a refined, fuel-efficient diesel engine that delivers around 25 horsepower. It's not just about raw power, it's about how efficiently it delivers that power. Smooth, consistent torque means you can handle tough tasks like plowing, tilling, or hauling without breaking a sweat. The gearbox is crisp, offering both manual and semi-automatic options to suit your working style. Another highlight is the hydraulic system. The lift capacity on this machine is seriously impressive for its size. Whether you're working with a front loader, a backhoe attachment, or a heavy mower, the Mini Simba 2025 handles it with ease. Plus, the four-wheel drive system comes standard, giving you excellent traction and stability no matter what terrain you're on. Mud, sand, loose soil, you name it. Comfort has also taken a major step forward. The seating is upgraded with extra cushioning and suspension, reducing operator fatigue during long hours in the field. Controls are thoughtfully placed, and visibility from the operator's seat is fantastic, allowing you to work more safely and precisely. When it comes to maintenance, the Mini Simba 2025 shines as well. Easy access to key